I have realized or experienced is this is one of the fundamental reasons why we are distracted. Let me tell you one truth. I was also not highly focused during my preparation. If you're going to a college on a two-wheeler, your focus is not on the road or on the driving conditions. Half of the time your mind is distracted. How do we solve this problem? A lot of students come to me with a problem that, sir, we are not able to focus, we are not able to concentrate, we are not able to focus on our studies. We start watching something on YouTube and then we keep on moving from one video to another video and we waste a lot of time. How do we solve this problem? And how did you ensure that you are highly focused in your preparation? Let me tell you one truth. I was also not highly focused during my preparation. Okay, so that is one thing, that even when I was a student like you, there were a lot of distractions. I used to think about a lot of different things while studying. I was not completely focused in my studies. So many things have happened. But then over a period of time, after working and after studying a lot about how does human mind function, why do we become distracted and all, there are three things I would like to share with you which can actually help you to remain focused and concentrated. Now, out of these three things, about the first two things generally everybody talks about and you would also be aware of it. The first one is staying in silence or meditation, whatever you call, in the morning before you go to sleep and before you start your studies. There is nothing great to do. For 10 minutes in the morning after you get up, sit comfortably, sit in silence. If you can, focus on your breathing. Deep breathings definitely help. No need to chant any mantra or no need to do any other stuff. Just sit in silence. Same thing before you start studying, 5 minutes before you sit for study, sit in silence. Then after you take a break and you come back, 5 minutes, sit in silence. This will actually calm down your mind and that will actually help you to become more focused. That is the first thing. Then the second thing which a lot of us know about it is deep working or deep focus while you are studying. Now how does that work? Instead of studying for 3 hours or 4 hours or 5 hours at a stretch, take 1 hour or 1.5 hours of time. Study with complete dedication, take a 10 to 15 minutes break, recharge yourself and come back. For beginners, means if you are highly distracted, even if you are able to sit for 30 minutes and do a focus study and take a 10-minute break, that will actually help you. And coming to the third one, what I have realized or experienced is this is one of the fundamental reasons why we are distracted. I have read a lot about it and that is what I am trying to share with you in this short video. We are distracted not only while studying, we are distracted when we are doing other activities as well. For example, if you are going to a college on a two-wheeler, your focus is not on the road or on the driving conditions. Half of the time your mind is distracted. You are thinking about something else. What will happen in this particular class? What will I tell to my friends? We want to bunk the class today. What will my boyfriend tell me? What will my girlfriend tell me? So many things going on in your mind when you are going to your college. Or if you are going to your office, what will my boss tell me? This boss is bad, my senior is bad, my junior is bad, so much of work pressure, when should I study? So many things that keep on going in your mind. Let me know if same kind of thoughts keep on going in your mind when you are doing some other activities. You are eating food, your mind is somewhere else. Okay, you are watching a movie, your mind is somewhere else. So basically, in whatever we do, in most of the activities that we do, we are not focused. So if you are not focused in our day-to-day activities, how do you expect the mind to be focused when you are studying? How do you expect your mind to be 100% focused in an activity which requires a lot of intensity? In your day-to-day activities, which is so much filled with fun, even there you are not 100% focused. You are in a movie theater, your mind is somewhere else. You are watching a cricket match, your mind is somewhere else, right? So what we have to do is we have to get down to the basics and start becoming focused or start becoming present in our day-to-day activities. Now what do I mean by that? If you are going to your college or if you are going to your office or if you are watching a movie, if you are eating your food, whatever you are doing, be aware of what you are doing. Be focused on what you are doing. So when you are having your food, be focused on the food that you are having. When you are going to the office, be focused on the road, on the traffic conditions that you are going through. Not about what will happen in the future or what has happened in the past. Most of the times our mind is wandering between either the past or the present. That person did this thing to me, I did not prepare well, I wasted so much of time. Either it is continuously in the past or continuously in the future. What will happen next? What if I don't pass? What if I fail? What will my boss tell me? What will my friends tell me? Oh, that person got such a good job. And not only that, we are focused about so many other problems of the world. So my sincere request to you is, implement this simple habit of being present, being focused in your day-to-day activities. Gradually you will see the same kind of focus you are able to bring back to your studies as well. As you become aware of what you are doing, what will happen is you will cut down automatically the unwanted or wasteful activities and you will become highly efficient in your preparation. I hope you found this message useful, and do let me know after you have implemented this, how has it changed your preparation, how has it changed your focus and concentration while you are preparing. Thank you.